Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to allow Facebook to access your camera and microphone on a laptop. For this, we open Facebook and go to the Messenger of Facebook. Once you're in the Messenger of Facebook, here you can see I can make a video call to any person in Facebook Messenger. For enabling camera microphone in Messenger, go to the right side of your PC screen and you will see these three buttons. Click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will be open. In this format, we will just scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see a button of setting. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will start to open. Once it's open, here we will just go to the left side of your PC screen, and here you will see a button of security and privacy. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will start to open. Once it's open, here we will just scroll down. After scrolling down, in the last, you will see a button of site setting. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will be open. In this format, we will just scroll down. You will see a section of permission. Once you're in our permissions section, go below and here you will see a button of camera, and if you go more below, you will see a button of microphone. Then click on microphone. After clicking, a new format review will open. Once a new format will open, here you will see there is a button of site can ask to use your microphone. After clicking, it will be enabled. After labeling, we will just close this folder. After closing the folder, we will click on the folder of camera. Click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will be open. In this format, we will just do that again. So click on site can ask to use your camera. After enabling that, go back to your Messenger. And once you're in a Messenger, click on the refresh button and your Messenger will start. Once your Messenger will refresh and now we can easily use microphone or camera of your laptop. So go to that icon and click on start a video call. After clicking, your video call will be easily in working. That's the way to allow Facebook to access your camera and microphone on a laptop. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.